In the previous videos, we have seen what are the value types and reference types. We have seen what are the differences and what are the different aspects of it. But have you ever given a thought when you are converting a value type to a reference type or reference type to a value type, what are the processes involved and what are these processes called? Yes, these are called as boxing and unboxing. Hi, I am Vivek Kumar and I welcome to our channel Buddhi Towards Wisdom. So today we are going to see what are the boxing and unboxing processes and what are the difference between them. So please watch this video till end so that you will get maximum benefit out of it. So let's begin. Here we will be seeing the boxing and unboxing processes. So before starting getting the differences between them and what are the things are, let's see about what it does. So in boxing what happens? So it converts a value type into a reference type, but in unboxing it happens opposite. The reference type gets converting into the value type. So we'll see with an example. So in boxing what is happening is, this is a simple process where we have defined one variable int I is equal to 10, and now you can see here in the stack the 10 is already occupied here. So what will happen? Now we are converting the value type into the reference type. The value type is a reference type. So this is a very what you call implicit person. Automatically it happens. We just assigning the I to the object obj. So the value type which was I is equal to 10 is now converted into the reference type. But in unboxing what is happening? So till here we have assigned an integer I is equal to 10 and the value of I we assigned to the object type or reference type. Now what is happening? We are doing now opposite. We are converting again the reference type into the value type. So what we are doing is, now we are doing the conversion or unboxing like this line. Here it's explicit conversion. We are doing the typecasting of int of object obj, and then what is happening? It is converted into the again back to the value type. So let's see what are the other aspects. Hope you understand with this example. As we've seen, it's an implicit conversion where compiler need not have to do much effort. It happens automatically, and it's explicit where you have to do some kind of mechanism to convert from the reference type to the value type. Now the value is stored on the stack and is copied to the object stored in the heap. So you can see the address was here. Now once it converted into reference type, it stores in the heap now, as reference type are stored in the heap and value type stored into the stack. Now in unboxing process what happens? It has to go in opposite direction now, from the heap to stack. So again it comes back with the 10 into the stack once we complete the process of unboxing. We'll move to the next one. So boxing process is costlier than unboxing processes. Here it is mentioned already, it's a 20 times longer than a simple reference assignment, but in unboxing it is only 4 times longer than a simple reference assignment. So we have a boxing process which is costlier than unboxing process. So guys, when you are doing the process, this process, please use it wisely. And last, if anything wrong happens during your conversion, during boxing unboxing, it throws an invalid cast exception. So I think this is it for now. Hope you have understood about boxing and unboxing, and I also hope that you will be implementing it in your program very wisely. For today, that's it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any concern or any doubt, please write into the comment section. And thank you very much and have a very nice day.